Do you know, when you have a fever, your body temperature rises, yet you often feel cold and start shivering? This is because of a process called thermoregulation. Normally, your brain's hypothalamus acts as the body's thermostat, keeping your temperature around 37 degrees Celsius, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. However, when you're sick, your body releases chemicals called pyrogens that signal the hypothalamus to raise the set point of your internal thermostat. As your body works to reach this new, higher temperature, it tricks you into thinking you're cold, which triggers shivering. Shivering is your muscles' way of generating heat to help raise your body temperature to fight off the infection. It's your body's natural defense mechanism at work. Once your body reaches the new set temperature, the shivering stops, and when the fever breaks, you'll start sweating as your body tries to cool down. Fascinating, right?